Um, what's your biggest fear? Could you ever face it? Biggest fear. All right. Biggest fear. What is actually my biggest fear? Well, at this moment, I am not really fear of anything. Yeah. What do you mean by that? Okay. So let me tell you about myself. Okay. Um, I am 30. Okay. I am living with my parents. I am not earning any money. Okay. And every day my father, my parents, everyone, besides, like, everyone is actually kind of like a something, they say that kid, do something really good with your life and this and that and that. I am kind of like a something really used to with this thing. Okay. Yeah. But I am not kind of like a something really scared or fear of the future of anything at this moment. Why? Because of that, key things that I'm doing right now is kind of like something really meant for the future, and this is kind of like a something really for the future, so that my future would be bright. Okay. For that future I ruin my present, so that is fine for me. Okay. So, like, basically from practical point of perspective, I am 30, not earning money, so it's kind of like a something very biggest fear. But I am not feeling it that, because I know that in the future things will something really good. Okay. So for that I am grinding every day to make it something really good every day. So I'm trying. Okay. Making better every day, and yeah, I am doing it that. This is kind of like a something really emotion that I experience when I was doing a job. Yeah, like when I was doing a job, I know that I am actually earning money. Okay. From like every point of perspective, from society point of perspective, from parents, everything point of perspective, I am kind of like a something really good, that I have this kind of like a something really salary, this amount of money. It's just like everything is perfect. Okay. Yeah, but it's just like that ki I know that ki I don't really have any future if I'm doing this job in this kind of like a something link company anywhere. No, it's just not. Okay. Yeah. At that time I was scared so much. But it's just like everyone is actually appreciating that. Everyone appreciating that ki you have this job, and like job means like that ki like I got my job at the age of 23. Yeah, 23 years. So from 23 to 27 I did job. So basically is this saying I am really like a, from society point of perspective, I'm really good. Okay. Yeah. But from inside I know that ki I am kind of like a something like dying every day. Okay. And and the one of the best fear that I kind of like a something really experience on that time is that ki, what if I just do this job for rest of the life. Okay. And rest of the life, and basically is this thing ki I just kind of like a something really that ki stuck with this job, stuck with this money I earn, stuck with this thing and everything, stuck with everything. It's just like that na ki, I don't know, it just the one of the greatest scared, or one of the biggest fear that I experience is that ki I will not grow. Like basically I will be on money वगैरह, but it's just like one of the greatest fear that I experience on that time when I was doing a job is that ki, it's just like, what if I just do this job for rest of the life? Can I able to do that? And why is this thing is that ki, like when I was doing the job, like on that company, everyone is kind of like a something at my age. At my age means like that ki everyone is exactly like a 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay. Mostly most of the employees are kind of like a something really from 22 to 24 to 20, 27 to 29, mostly on that range. Every employee. Okay. All the employees are young, so I was kind of like a something really, I felt that ki ha chalo, it's I am in that part of the group. But there is a kind of like a something, one recruitment happened, and that recruitment, there is a guy whose age is almost like a 49. He is kind of like a something really, a person who is like a, like I don't know dude, is this thing ki आई कांट इवन इमेजिन दैट कि वो 50 साल का है, वो कंपनी में आया है, उसको he has a lot of experience, okay, obviously, but it's just like that कि I felt really horrible that कि मैं 50 साल, अभी तो मेरी उम्र 25 साल है, ओके, उस वक्त तो 25 थी, बट एट दैट टाइम माई एज वॉज 25 एंड इफ आई एम लुकिंग एट दिस गाय एंड हिज एज इज 50 एंड एक्चुअली आई एम आस्किंग दिस क्वेश्चन टू माई सेल्फ दैट कि आने वाली 25 सालों में मैं मेरी क्या इसी तरह से होगी, लाइक दिस इज काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग दैट कि आई वुड बिकेम like this is kind of like a something very fucked up thing happened, dude. Yeah, क्योंकि just like that ना, आप सोचते हो कि 25 साल बाद things will be something really very different. आप एक्सपेक्ट करते हो कि शायद मेरे पास गाड़ी होगी, ये होगा, वो होगा. हाँ, लाइक बेसिकली आई एम नॉट गोना से दैट कि उसकी फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन बहुत खराब है, नहीं, उसकी फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन भी ठीक ठाक है, इज दैट, बट लाइक थिंग्स दैट आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट आई एम नॉट काइंड ऑफ लाइक एक्सपेक्टिंग दिस थिंग कि उसको 16 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर फील्ड दैट आई एम वर्किंग ओवर देयर. 16 साल का एक्सपीरियंस, ओके. देन बिफोर दैट ही हैज़ ऑल्सो ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 10 साल का एक्सपीरियंस इन द ईस्ट इंडस्ट्री. ही हैज़ लॉट ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस इन दैट फील्ड, ओके. और इतना सारा एक्सपीरियंस, बट प्रॉब्लम इज दैट कि ही नॉट प्रॉपरली एजुकेट, मीन्स लाइक दैट कि that guy is not graduate, okay, so that's why he was not kind of like a something really became a manager or kind of like a something really the vice president वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. he became kind of like a something really employee, और उसे बस एम्प्लॉय की तरह ही रहना था, okay. तो this is what happened, okay. And I was like asking this question to myself that कि what the fuck is that, dude, okay. ये 50 साल का आदमी है, ये मेरे साथ में काम कर रहा है, ओके, एंड आई एम जस्ट लुक एट हिम एंड लुक एट दैट कि भाई ये मेरा फ्यूचर है क्या, ये मेरा फ्यूचर है. इट्स लाइक नो डूड, नो. दिस इज काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ समथिंग दैट कि आई जस्ट फेल्ट कि वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट फियर दैट आई एक्सपीरियंस ऑन दैट टाइम, ओके. तो like basically this actually happened before the covid, okay, almost like maybe it's October 2019, okay. Then I just started things like that कि नहीं, अभी मुझे like things that I wanted to do, like things I should supposed to want to do, like filmmaking and things like that, तो मुझे ये करना ही है, okay. So I was looking out that ki the person who could teach me kind of like a something writing or kind of like a teaching me that ki how do I make a film. And there is a guy that I found, there is a kind of like a something like the classes that I found for kind of like a teaching us how to do such thing like that, okay, like a filming and things like that. So I went there, enroll myself and started taking some sort of classes. This is kind of like a something that situation is actually shook me, not shook me, it's a kind of like a something, one of the greatest fear that I experienced on that day. Yeah, so this is actually the biggest fear that I experienced, okay. Yeah, but could you ever face it? Yeah, cat, like could you ever face it? I already faced it that, okay. Like basically this thing, the one of the greatest fear is kind of like a something like that कि ऐसा डर जो आप कभी कभी महसूस किया है, तो हाँ मैंने वो उस चीज़ को महसूस किया है. या नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन,